To solve this problem, we're going to need to simplify the equation given. Now, as a general rule when you work with GRE math, if you've been asked to do something with a lot of busy work, or that's very tedious, or that seems really complex, it's almost always worthwhile to take a step back and to ask yourself, am I missing something basic? Because remember, at the end of the day, the GRE is not interested in your ability to do a lot of tedious calculations. They're testing your ability to find a quick, smart path to a solution that could otherwise be done in more difficult ways. For example here, if we step back and look at this equation, notice that we've got 6q divided by something equals 2q. We know that something has to equal 3 because 6q divided by 3 equals 2q. So as a first step towards solving this, if we really want to make this problem easy, we can recognize that the 7 minus the 2r over the 3s, whatever that thing equals, it's equal to 3. Likewise, when we look at this equation right here, if we step back and think about it holistically, we've got 7 minus something equals 3. Well, that something's got to be 4, right? Because 7 minus 4 equals 3. So another thing we could do to simplify this problem, we could say that the 2r over the 3s, well, that's the same thing as 4. And if we look at these answer choices, notice we're pretty darn close to solving this. The only thing we need to do at this point, let's multiply both sides by 3s. And that gives us 2r equals 12s. And finally, let's go ahead and divide both sides by 2. And that gives us r equals 6s. And as you can see, that completely matches answer choice C. And there you go. That is the fastest, smartest, easiest way to determine that C is the correct answer.